Is your Mac refusing to acknowledge your SD card, leaving your precious photos and important files inaccessible? Don't panic. This infuriating problem is often fixable with a few straightforward steps. First, let's address the simplest cause: a loose connection. Remove the SD card completely and reinsert it firmly into the slot. Make sure it clicks into place. Sometimes a slight wiggle or reseating is all it takes. If that didn't work, try a different SD card slot if your Mac has one, or if you're using an adapter, test the SD card in a different adapter or directly in your Mac if it has a built-in slot, to rule out adapter issues. Now, let's dive into Disk Utility. Go to your Applications folder, then Utilities, and open Disk Utility. In Disk Utility, click on the View option in the top left corner and select Show All Devices. Your SD card might not be appearing because it's not mounted. Look in the sidebar on the left if you see your SD card listed but it's grayed out. Select it and then click the Mount button at the top of the window. If it appears normally, it should already be mounted. If your SD card is visible but still not accessible, it might have file system errors. Select your SD card in the Disk Utility sidebar, and then click the First Aid button. This will scan and attempt to repair any underlying issues with the card's file system. Follow any prompts that appear. Outdated software can sometimes cause compatibility problems. Ensure your macOS is up to date by going to System Preferences, then Software Update. Installing the latest macOS version can often resolve hardware recognition issues. As a final check, if none of these steps work, try inserting the SD card into another computer or device with an SD card reader. This will help determine if the issue lies with the SD card itself or with your Mac. By following these steps, you should be able to get your Mac to recognize your SD card again, restoring access to your important files and memories. Happy troubleshooting!